Why did you throw those two in there? We need them, you know?
Well, they're useless.
So the fuck what? We still need them. And so what? Like, I care. So, why do we need them? They're just a whole bunch of traitors. Just sending people where they're... Sending characters and old people where they're even supposed to be. Man, boy, like you somebody else, huh? So get your ass, huh? You're actually not that scared. I thought so. Dumbass nigga. I throw you in there. Except for everybody at this point. Now, time to send the army at the place. We do this.